These actions can remove your image's background, give you an oil art effect, posterize your image, artistic oil art, and also gives you a vector pop art effect in just one single click. And also, I will tell you about a website by which you can download thousands of free actions and presets for free. So stay tuned and let me introduce you to these actions one by one. Firstly, my remove background action, which is super useful. Just run it and let it do its magic. For complete information, check out my 2-minute tutorial, or you can directly download it. Links in the description. Moving forward, this is an artistic oil paint effect. These are actually smart object files. Directly open it. Here you can hide or remove the text. To use it, double-click on the smart object thumbnail. Now this is a preset file. Remove it and paste your own image. After placing it, press Ctrl+S to save it. And that's it. Our image is ready. A little bit bigger. And perfect. Other files are also the same, as you see. Let's move toward the next one. This is also an oil paint art, and it comes in 2 different Photoshop versions. Choose according to your version. Let me show you how to load an action. From the action panel, click on these 3 lines. And then load action. Choose your action, and that's it. Let's try it.
A lot of boring math later.
Now this is our final result. A professional oil painting effect. Let me show you on this image. Now this looks destructive. But wait. Here we have some color options that is optional. Check this out. Now this looks cool. You can also add textures from here. Now let's see what vector art can do. Everything is the same as previously. So let's try it directly. And there we go. It is not so good on it, but when we try the color options on it, it looks like a poster art, which is cool. This is another example. There is nothing to discover here, so let's move on to our last action. This is a vector pop art. And this will give you results like this. Actually, this is paid. But you can get it free from my description. I cannot show you how to use it because my PC is almost going to die because of this 1000 steps long prompt. But it comes with a guide. And I will also give you the link to this website where you can get their guide video. And that's all that you need to know about these actions. And as per promise, this is a website named as freepreset.net. Here you can find thousands of free assets for Photoshop and other software. But let me alert you. Most of these actions are just trash. Yeah, I tried a lot by myself. So explore yourself and let me know which action is your favorite. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you find these helpful. And your subscription will be a heartwarming to me. Meet you in the next video.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that